Hi, today I'm making blueberry pancakes. My granddaughter loves blueberries, and so I thought I'd practice my pancakes so that I'd be ready to go when I saw her. So, what you're going to begin with is 2 cups of Bisquick, 2 eggs, a cup of milk, or a cup and a quarter of milk, a half a cup of blueberries, a tablespoon of sugar, and a teaspoon of baking powder, as well as a teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, so those are your ingredients. And so to get started, we're going to basically combine our dry ingredients. So we'll add the baking powder to the Bisquick pancake mix. We'll then add the sugar. I think I said it was 1 tablespoon of sugar, but it's actually 3 tablespoons and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So let's make sure I give you the correct ingredients. But we'll add the sugar and the baking powder. We'll mix that, and then we'll add the milk to it. So it's actually a cup of milk. Sometimes I add a little quarter cup because it can be not, maybe too thick. And so to sort of thin it out a little bit, I might add a little more. I'm going to add my vanilla, and then I did go ahead and add my eggs one at a time. So I mixed it, and then I added the eggs. And so you want to just really whisk this up so that the lumps are out of the pancake mix, or as many as you can get. Next, you're going to add your half-cup blueberries to the pancake batter, and it will, the blueberries will sort of float up top. I take a ladle and just ladle the batter into a hot pan that's been sprayed with any kind of vegetable spray, Pam, any variety you like. And then I'm going to just ladle the pancakes onto the hot grill. Once it starts to bubble up on one side and I can lift it and it's starting to brown, that's when I'm going to flip it. And when I flip it, hopefully it goes well and it looks like this. But I'm not an expert pancake maker, so it does take a few tries before they look like this. This should make about 12 pancakes, and you're going to serve them hot with butter and whatever side. I have bacon here and maple syrup, and you're all set for breakfast.